Weekday recipes don't have to be boring. You just have to spice them up, quite literally. This recipe of potatoes and French beans is super easy, super tasty, and super fun to make. Let's get started. For this recipe, take 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes, peel them and cut them lengthwise. Don't dice them into small pieces as we usually do to make aloo beans. Now, take about 150 grams of French beans and cut them into half or max 3 pieces so that they're almost the same size as the potatoes. Cutting them this way will make them crispy and will not give you a boring taste. Let's quickly get to the other ingredients. We need 5 to 6 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 green chilies, and 10 to 12 curry leaves. Now curry leaves are totally optional here. Take a wide pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of jeera, some curry leaves, and a pinch of hing. Add your chopped garlic and cook it for about a minute till the raw taste of garlic goes away. Now it's time to add in your potatoes. Mix them well. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to high flame. And after that, add your beans. Now give it a nice stir and add salt to it. Again, mix it well. Cover the lid and let the aloo beans steam for about 15 minutes. Stir for 2 to 3 times in between so that they don't burn. Let's check if our potatoes are cooked nicely. And yes, they are. At this stage, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of amchur powder, and half a teaspoon of jeera powder. I am also adding 2 green chilies split into half. Mix everything together and let the masalas blend in nicely. Stir them for about 2 to 3 minutes and let them give a nice even coating on the aloo and beans. Add 1 tablespoon of water so that the masalas cook well and coat properly. Adjust the salt if you need to. And now we're done. We just need to add a pinch of Garam Masala at the end and then serve these crispy, beautiful aloo beans with rotis or parathas. I generally pair aloo beans with plain roti and moong dal. And yeah, my weekday meal is sorted. Please subscribe to the Foodie Soul for such healthy and yummy recipes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.